In this in-depth examination, we delve into the distinguishing features and capabilities of the GoPro Hero 13 Mini and Hero 13, two pioneering action cameras poised to transform the landscape of adventure photography. As we explore the nuances of each device, we'll uncover the unique strengths and advantages that set them apart, empowering you to make an informed decision when selecting the ideal camera for your next escapade. From the compact, user-friendly design of the Hero 13 Mini to the feature-rich, high-performance capabilities of the Hero 13, our comprehensive comparison will leave no stone unturned, ensuring you're equipped to capture life's most exhilarating moments with precision and clarity. GoPro Hero 13 Mini, the compact powerhouse. The GoPro Hero 13 Mini is a sleek, downsized iteration of the Hero 13, boasting a diminutive form factor that belies its impressive capabilities. Although it features a smaller sensor and lens than its larger counterpart, the Mini still delivers stunning 4K video, ensuring that your most treasured moments are captured with breathtaking clarity. The built-in screen on the rear of the device facilitates effortless shot framing and footage review, streamlining your content creation process. Additional features include a convenient USB-C to USB-C cable for seamless connectivity, a dedicated button for Bluetooth pairing, and a handy red light indicator that signals recording status, providing a user-friendly experience that's hard to match. Despite its reduced size, the Hero 13 Mini packs a formidable punch, making it an ideal choice for adventurers seeking a compact, high-performance camera. GoPro Hero 13, the feature-packed flagship. The GoPro Hero 13 is a formidable camera that redefines the boundaries of action photography. Equipped with a larger sensor and built-in macro lens, it excels at capturing intricate details with unparalleled precision. The integrated ultra-wide lens mod further expands its capabilities, allowing you to immerse yourself in the action like never before. A cleverly designed grille on the front facilitates efficient heat dissipation, ensuring uninterrupted performance during prolonged use. But what truly sets the Hero 13 apart is its ability to shoot breathtaking 5.3K video at an astonishing 120 frames per second, delivering silky smooth footage that puts you at the heart of the action. With its advanced feature set and uncompromising performance, the Hero 13 is the ultimate tool for capturing life's most exhilarating moments with unbridled clarity and precision. Key differences and similarities. A closer examination of the GoPro Hero 13 and Hero 13 Mini reveals distinct differences that cater to diverse user needs. The Hero 13 stands out with its larger sensor, built-in macro lens, and ultra-wide lens mod, rendering it an ideal choice for those seeking a feature-rich camera. This trio of advanced features enables the capture of intricate details, expansive vistas, and high-quality footage. In contrast, the Hero 13 Mini prioritizes portability and convenience, boasting a smaller and more compact design. This deliberate design choice makes it perfect for users who value ease of transport, effortless handling, without compromising on core camera functionality. Ultimately, the Hero 13 is geared towards content creators who demand advanced features, while the Hero 13 Mini is suited for adventurers seeking a user-friendly, pocket-sized camera. Pricing and release date. The GoPro Hero 13 Mini is expected to be priced lower than the Hero 13, making it a more affordable option for those on a budget. The Hero 13, on the other hand, is expected to be released in September 2024, with a bunch of accessories available, including a floaty case, protective sleeve, magnetic latch ball joint mount, and GoPro magnetic latch mount. In conclusion, the GoPro Hero 13 Mini and Hero 13 emerge as two formidable action cameras, each catering to distinct user preferences. The Hero 13 Mini's compact design and user-friendly interface make it an ideal choice for those seeking a hassle-free, pocket-sized camera. Conversely, the Hero 13's extensive feature set, including a larger sensor, macro lens, and ultra-wide lens mod, solidifies its position as a flagship model for content creators and thrill seekers who demand exceptional image quality and versatility. Ultimately, GoPro's thoughtful design approach has resulted in two cameras that collectively cover a broad spectrum of user needs, ensuring that whether you prioritize convenience or cutting-edge features, there's a Hero camera tailored to exceed your expectations. With these two impressive offerings, GoPro cements its reputation as a pioneer in the action camera market, poised to capture life's most exhilarating moments with unparalleled clarity and precision.